Hello and welcome back. In this program, I am going to tell you how we can find an anagram in a string. What is the anagram? The first question is what is the anagram? So I will tell you anagrams are those words which are having same length and also their characters are same. Now let's check. In the first string we have kept our value as keep, and in the second string we have kept the value peak. So this keep and peak both are having 4 character 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same in the peak we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's see this as a divided part. So if we divide keep into this 4 part, we will see these are the same words which we have kept in our value of string 1 and string 2. Now let's see if we will sort them into ascending order, right? So it will become like it will come like double E K P, and peak will also come same like this whenever we are arranging them into the ascending order. So the words which are having same length and also same characters in the word, they are said to be anagrams. Now let's see the explanation of this program. So what we will do in this tutorial, we are going to write code one by one. Before jumping into our code part, we will see the explanation of this program and how we are going to do that. So first we will make our string into the lower case so that we don't avoid any problem while dealing with upper and lower case of the string, right? So these string we will change into our lower case. Now the second thing will be, we will do check the length of two string is same or not. If they are not, then they cannot be anagrams, right? So it will be, its condition will be false. And the third step will be, we will convert both the string like this into the character with the help of, we are having one character method in our array. After that, these character we will change into the sorting form and ascending form, and if the condition satisfies in the both, then we will check whether the string is anagram or not, right? So now we will jump into our IDE so that we can see it programmatically. Now let's jump into our IDE. Go back. So we are having one ready-made folder called Java. It is a Java project which we are going to code into. So for your time saving, I have already made this folder, and here I will create one package. We will create com.string.program, something like that, because this program belongs to string. Now inside this string we will define one class with the name of anagram check, right? Now after that we are simply going to write main method as usual. So we will define two string. First is called string, right? So string str is equal to, let's take on string called brag, and another string will be string str2, and this we will make as a first. Now the second thing will be grab, right? So let's see, we will make it capital, and after that we will change it into the lower case. Now what we will do, simply we will do that str1 dot to lower case, and it will change entire string into the lower case. Now the second thing will be string 2. This also we will do the same to change it into lower case, right? So we are done. Now we have changed the lower case. What we can do, we will assign back same value to them, something like this. Then the value of string will be in string 1 will be in the lower case, and the value of string 2 will also be in the lower case, right? So here if I say converting into lower case, right? Now what can be done? So the next step will be, here the first it was like dealing, we have to deal and make it lower case. Next step that I said, it will be the length of two strings. So we will check the length of two string. So our first condition will be, if the str1 something like that and dot length is not equal to, if the length of a string is not equal to the length of second string, it means they are not the anagram, right? So here simply we will throw our message saying system.out.println, and here we will send our customized method, that is the given two string are not anagram. Fine. So from here only we will throw this message and say this is not anagram. That's it. The program will not execute after this condition. If the length is same, then we will keep one condition where we will check the string is anagram or not. So what we will do, like I showed you, we have to put these things like KEEP, and how this will be done? This will be done with the help of converting our string into the character with the help of character array method. Now let's see how it can be done. So first thing will be, we will define one array to convert our string into the array, and we will simply say string1 to char array. This method will change our input as a character array. So let's define its name. After creating character array, we will give its name something like string1. Fine. Same we will do with string2. So we will copy, very simple, and we will put. You guys no need to worry about this. I will explain and I will also show you how these methods are working internally with the help of debugging. In every video I do, in every tutorial I help you out with the help of code debug, right? Now the thing is that we have changed it to string1 and string2. Now next step that I told we will do, after changing into character array, we will sort them, and we will sort them like this. Here EEKP, which is nothing but ascending order of English alphabet. So now jumping into, I will comment here sorting in ascending order with the sort method of array. Now where is array in this? So this is the array that we have got it from the string. Now let's jump for the new part. We will increase our size of this program and we will keep moving further. Now what will happen? Let's see. So what will happen? We are having one class called arrays inside the java.util packet .sort. So what we will sort? We will sort character byte, like you can see the third method, right? So inside that we are going to pass our string 1, and same way we will going to sort our string like this, string 2, right? Till here we are pretty much done. Now we will check. What we will check? If the both sorted string here, if we will see if the both sorted string are same, then this will become an anagram, right? So what we will do here? We will put one condition. If arrays dot equals, So for the calculating equality of arrays, we are having one class called arrays, and inside we are having one method called equals that will check and return its type will be boolean. So what we will do, we will check the first string, right, and the string 2. So here we will do string 2, we will copy it. Also the second parameter will be the second parameter, here it will be string 2. Now this condition is not yet completed. So in case this condition is true, then we will put our customize method, and this not customize method, customize message. So here we are going to put the given two strings are anagram. In case it is matching, in case it is not matching, then we will say the given, else we will give one more condition, we will paste this thing, and again we will say the given strings are not anagram here, right? So let's check. So here in the last step, that was else condition, we will check it is anagram, right? Now what we will do, we will jump into our program and run, and we will check whether these things are fine or not. So the given strings are anagram, right? So here it is correctly saying the given strings are anagram. Now see, in case we will run it again, in case we are having something like anagram, here in the brag we will add few more words, then it will simply say this is not anagram, that we can see, right? It will reject from this if condition only. Now to explain more these methods that we have used in our program to char array to sort, I will show you everything. Now let's start it with the debugging, right? So we are going to debug everything here. So we will debug and jump into our program to get detailed information of one by one, right? So we are waiting our debugger to start, and sorry, I forgot to put one breakpoint where we will start debugging, right? So our program is starting, we will put our breakpoint somewhere here also, and we will see. So the first thing, string that you see here is bragqu. So here also in the console we can see. Now I will jump to the next step with the help of F8, step over. See here, so everything now with the help of this lowercase has been changed into the lowercase of the string first, where it was first B capital, now it is B normal, that is small letter. Now step over again, and what will happen? See, the condition here says the length of the string is true. It means true. Why? Because length is not same for everyone. Let's inspect it out. So whenever we are inspecting length of 2, then it is coming like brag 3 times q, and the length of another one is less than the first one. So we will inspect something like this. In case we want to move further, what will happen? So the here program will terminate. Let's see how it will terminate. See, the program got terminated here only, means the given two strings are not anagram, it goes under if condition. Now let's jump, and program came out of if condition. It doesn't check any other condition other than if, in case the length is different. So the first condition is false, and we will get out of the condition. Now this is the second thing we are going. So we will disable this breakpoint and run our program fully. After that we will run this thing, and again we will run our program, right? So what will happen? Here we have kept anything like debugger. Yes, we will debug again and check whether it is working for both or not. Now this time I am debugging just to show cause you things are working properly or not in the else condition of this program. So let's see the program while our debugger is start. The main part I will start from here in this. So we will jump directly, and here I will keep one more breakpoint to show you. So see what happens whenever string 1 comes, right, and a method is used to character array, it will change its value something like this. You can see this is how brag came, but this is not in the proper ascending format. So for making it into the ascending format, we are going to sort it. So the first condition, the first string here, see here the first string was abgr, but here it has come into the proper format, right? Earlier it was something like brag, but now it has been changed. Here also it will change. See, after I step one more, I will step one more line. So here string value both has become the same, abgr for the string 1 and abgr for the string 2 as well. So now here if we are putting one condition to check that the both string are equal after sorting, then it will be give that given string is our anagram. Now I will show you. See how we will step over to the next line, and we can see clearly here that the given strings are anagram, and it will jump to the out of the else condition. See how it will jump, it will not go to the else condition, right? Now see, everything is clear, and we can see the given two strings are anagram. In case you have any doubt, you can comment it out, and also I will tell you, also I will suggest you to keep debugging code for the proper understanding and flow of code one by one. It will give you the transparency to learn code more efficiently. Fine. In case you are having any problem, you can comment it out in this program. Bye bye. See you soon.